Hello techies, welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. In this session, we are discussing about RPA. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get any AI related video notifications. So in this video tutorial, we are discussing robotic process automation concept. So we will discuss mainly three W's: what is RPA, where is RPA, and why is RPA. And at the last, we will discuss about the user cases. The first question it will come to our mind is what is RPA? Correct. So, full form of RPA is robotic process automation. So, name itself is telling it is a robot. It is doing some automation for some of the processes. Correct. Robotic process automation. Some people will think, okay, robot means some hardware robot. No, this is a software robot. It will mimic the human activities. If the activity has some logical background or structural background, correct? So, what is the meaning of this? Example. So, in a company, so we will go and we will sit into in a computer, and inside the computer we will write some mails and we will send to our manager, correct? So every day we are doing that activity means we will have some structured activity, because every day we will go, or weekly twice, weekly thrice. So these are all the structured activity. So that we can automate using software robot. So that is a mainly a robotic process automation tools will do. Okay. So next thing is, so what is RPA means? The RPA is having a software tool, and it will not take any coffee break, and it will not take any lunch break, dinner break, or any insurance, nothing. So this is the beauty of RPA. So next question is, why is RPA? Correct. So what is RPA means? It will do the human activity, so whatever the structured data we are doing, correct. And why is RPA means, this is a technology. The first thing is technology. As I told, the technology itself is very huge. Means it is having artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, keystrokes. Everything is involved in a one tool that we will call it as RPA. So that's why technology is very huge. And scalability. Example: if you have a one company, in a company 100 people are working the same job they are doing. Example: copy paste job, taking the customer data and writing into the Excel some calculation, or putting some data into the SAP or any website, correct. So these they are doing 100 people. But if you use the RPA tool, one bot can do all the 100 people work. So just we have to deploy in 100 machines, that's it. So that is a scalability of RPA tool. And security. If it comes to the security, if the patient data is there or customer data is there, some of the PHI issue will come, correct. But the standard tool of this RPA will have some certification like security certifications. So they will clear. So like there is no data bleach or malware will come. So these things will be not there. So if your system is very secure, then RPA bot is also secure. So like that, the RPA tool is designed. And total cost of ownership. Example, the same example I will take it, like 100 people in a one company. So if the 100 people are working very efficient also, 100% accuracy they are giving, we will think like that. But they need a coffee break, they need a tea, they need a dinner, lunch, and travel, and PF we have to give, and insurance we have to give, sometimes sick leave they will apply. So these are all the things will come as a cost, correct. So total cost will increase if the humans are working. But if the bot is working, then total cost will reduce, because bot is doesn't need any insurance, because it will not sick, correct. In a COVID time also, The COVID is not come to the robot. So that is the beauty of this RPA bot, because this is a software and ease of use and control. The same way how the human will work. Example, manager will tell to the humans, like one of the user, don't do today, or tomorrow you have to work 100 account extra. So like that, how we are controlling the people, so same way we can control the bots also. Example, we can uh, take a control like, okay, the bot should run at 12 p.m itself, 12 a.m itself, or 4 a.m, 5 a.m. So like that we can schedule it. Or we can give a condition like, if the file is there, then only you have to work. If the file is not there, you should not work. So like that we can give a control condition to the bot. It's not like, okay, anything bot will know, no. So whatever we will train to the bot will do the same activity. So that is ease of use and control. And vendor experience. So what will expect the vendors? So mainly the vendor will expect 100% accuracy and cost effective, and time should be less, correct? So if you're using the bot, these three will be we can achieve. Like example, the first thing is accuracy. As I told, whatever we will train to the bot, that logic only the bot will apply. It will not think anything. If you tell a plus b is c, then bot will do a plus b is c only. Not like human, a plus b is x. There is no human errors in the bot, correct? So then accuracy will be more. The next thing is cost effective. Cost should be less, correct? How? Because we are not using 100 people, we are using 100 bots instead of 100 people. And time consuming will be less. Example, so if the human will work, how many like how much uh, hours they will work? Example, 4 hours in a day, 8 hours in a day, 12 hours, correct? Not every human will work 24 hours every day, correct? But the bot will work 24 hour into 7 and 365 day. There is no stop. So like that it will work. So because bot will bot doesn't need a sleep, doesn't need a coffee, doesn't need a dinner, correct? It will not sick. So that's why these three will be increased for the vendor experience. So it will be very high if you compare to human. And maintenance and support. Example, if you're deploying one bot, RPA bot, then maintenance will be very easy, because here there is no coding. So everything is drag and drop structure. So we will like these structures and everything I will explain you in a different video, like how the bot will look like, how we have to run, how we can schedule, and everything we will discuss one by one in this channel. So that's why I'm telling, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. You will get everything about the AI and RPA. Okay, the next thing is quick deployment. So if everything is available, example, maintenance and support is easy, there is no coding, and dependency is very less. So whatever you have, no, example, you have a SAP system, the same system we will use it for the automation, like, correct, RPA. So we don't need, like, RPA doesn't need any other technologies. So example, so if you are using a Salesforce, so they will tell everything you have to migrate to Salesforce, not like that uh, in RPA. Correct? RPA will use the same SAP application, same legacy application, same website, same Outlook. So whatever users are working the same way, the bot will mimic. So that's why deployment also very quick. So these are all the conditions are very important for this question. Like, why is RPA means this, it will cover. RPA tool will cover all these important things. So next thing is, where is RPA? Yes. So we will have a plenty of tools now. So every day, every companies are building their own tools. But some of the major tools, it is in a market, that is I am displaying here. The most top tools are like Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, UiPath, Power Automate. So these are all the tools, they are giving end-to-end solution for RPA, like how the humans are working the same way it is working. So now they are extracting, like IQ bot concept they have used. So whatever the handwritten documents are there, some 10% 20% of the handwritten things they will extract, like RPA tool will extract using the computer vision, ML and AI, everything they are using in a one tool. So that's why the tools are very like popular nowadays. Because in a COVID time, so if you see, uh, some of the companies are having the project but there is no people to work, correct, everyone's sick in a team. So then what the vendors will do, what the customers will do, so they will take back their projects, correct. So but the bot will do that work in that period also. So because the bot is a one, it will never stop, so it will do whatever we train. So that's why every companies are investing more and more in a RPA technology, because this is a building block for the artificial intelligence, correct. And next thing is user cases. The most important thing is, uh, you can decide, okay, so where we can use the RPA means, if you are using the computer in your business, then you can use the RPA. That's it. So it's very easy to use. So that's why the industries are more and more. Just some of the few examples I'm giving, like, so wherever we can use it, correct. So one is mortgage industry, financial, telecom, BPO, insurance, healthcare, public sector, shipping, shopping, so everywhere. So wherever the business is in the cloud or business is in the computers, so these bots can handle. Example, if you have 100 people, so 100 people work the bot is doing now, then these 100 people so can work in a better way, correct. So they can work for the R&D, so they can work for the customer experience. They can talk with the customers for more benefits. They can and more customers can handle with these only 100 people, correct. So, and one more thing we have to think. So, if the bot comes, the human activity will completely go. No, never. Because bot will not think. It will do whatever we will train. So, finally, if you want to talk with a customer and take the project from them, so that quality will have always with the humans only. Instead of this very waste logical part, example copy paste, writing the patient name, writing the student names in a university, so these things we can avoid it from the this RPA boards. And nowadays we are hugely investing in this part only, the waste part, correct. So that we can automate and we can use the uh, people in a better manner in a R&D and everything. So that's why the RPA is very important in a business nowadays. So we will come to the last slide summary. So what we have discussed in session, so we have discussed what is RPA, why is RPA, where is RPA, and user case, correct. So in an upcoming video, so I will uh, make a video of RPA tools like Automation Anywhere, UiPath, Blue Prism, and Power Automate. So these are all the top leaders in RPA. So, so our team, like AI Brahma team, will do the complete video, like how to install, from the how to install to how we can use a database, how we can use the NLP concept, everything we will include in this video tutorials. So please subscribe to our channel to get more knowledge about RPA. So if you are looking for a job change, or if you are currently working in a RPA and you are looking for some logics, so you can contact to us. So you can comment it in a video, so we will reach out to as early as possible. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the first notification to you. So thank you very much.